here from Sincerely Creative Mom. Today we are going to make a very large bow, one that you can put on a mailbox, on your lantern, on your garage door, on your garage door lights. You can put it anywhere. It's a nice big bow, okay? So I'm starting with this beautiful 4-inch ribbon. Okay, I'm going to cut that right off at the bottom here. We're going to start with an 18-inch tail. So this is going to be a pretty big bow. When you're putting the bows on your lantern, you want to make sure you're sizing it to the size lantern that you have. But on your garage door, on your mailbox, they're pretty big items. So we can make pretty big tails at that point. Okay, so this is going to be our very first loop. And it's going to be about 7 inches, okay, and I'm going to pinch, I'm going to twist, I'm going to loop, I'm going to make sure that's about the same, pinch, and twist. Okay, I'm going to put this right down. I'm using an easy bow maker today just because I'm kind of having trouble with my finger here, so we're going to use the Easy Bow Maker to help us out. Make sure all my tails come down nice and straight. So I pulled coordinating ribbons. So I'm going to go ahead again with an 18-inch. The first one was about 7 inches. This is going to be about 6.5. We're going to do 2 loops. Okay, so we're going to go 6.5 on this side, 2 loops on each. Okay, pinch, twist. I always want to see the pretty. Loop, make sure they're about the same. Pinch, twist, loop, measure, make sure they're about the same. Pinch, twist, loop, last one, measure, make sure it's about the same. Pinch and twist. It's going to give us our other tail. Okay, I'm going to come up here, slide it right on the top, bring my tail down to the side, just like that. Nice long tails. So with this one, it's a one-directional ribbon. Okay, and it's going. If I pull it down like this, it's going to end up going. It's upside down, okay? So I'm going to take it, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to take my 18 inches, okay? I'm going to take my first loop, which is going to be about 6. We're only doing 2. So we're going to do 1 on each side, and I'm going to pinch, I'm going to twist, I'm going to loop, I'm going to pinch, I'm going to twist. Okay, so I'm going to slide that right inside, pull that down. So every layer the loops get a little smaller. Okay, the tails are staying the same because all of my ribbon here came from Coach Mel, M-E-L, CoachMelSupplies.com, except for this ribbon. It actually came from Sam's Club. Okay, so that last was 6 inches. We're going to go a little smaller than 6. We're going to go about 5.5. We're going to pinch, twist so that I can see the pretty side, loop. It's about the same. Pinch, twist. I'm going to do 2 loops. Loop, pinch, twist, loop, pinch, last tail, twist, so every time I pull these in, I'm just kind of pulling them. Okay, 18 inches again. pinch. So the last one is about 5.5. We'll go about 5 1/4-ish. We're going to go 1 loop on each side, pinch, twist so I can see the pretty side, loop, pinch, and twist. So we're going to do 1. So each layer, so we started with 1 loop on each side. Then we went 2, then we went 1, then we went 2. Now we're going 1. And the last one is just going to be 1 center loop. Okay, 18 inches again on the tail. And then this is going to be about, let's say 4 inches probably. Let's see. Yep, 4 inches. Pinch and twist. So again, I can see the pretty side. Cut that off. Put it right there on the top. Okay, so now I'm going to take 2 pipe cleaners, and I'm going to kind of just twist them together so that I can make 1 long pipe cleaner. So now I have 1 long pipe cleaner. Okay, I'm going to slide that up. I'm going to hold it just right there. I'm pinching it nice and tight, and I'm going to take that pipe cleaner and wrap it around so that I don't let go of it. Once I have it underneath there, I'm going to slide it all the way up. Pinch it real tight. I'm going to set this aside. Pinch it real tight. Perfect on your mailbox. You can make 2 of these and put 1 on each side. Adorable. All right, so here we are. I just squished it. Make sure we bring all of the tails down to the center. Okay, I'm pulling these all the way down, making sure all of my tails are going the right way. We'll cut them at the end here. We're going to fluff this out. Okay, so now let me take you in here so you can see real close. All right, so I'm going to leave that 4-inch right here in the center, okay? And I'm going to start layer by layer and pull those, okay? I'm going to place those exactly where I want them. Do the same thing to the other side. And then all I'm going to do down here at the bottom is cut them so that they're all about the same. I'm going to dovetail them so they're all about the same. And by that I'm just going to cut on the fold up towards the edge so it makes a nice V just like that. Okay, I'm going to do that to all of them except for that nice wide 4-inch. I'm going to actually leave that nice and straight. Nothing to it. So 4-inch, 2 2.5-inch, 3 1.5-inch, and there you go. You guys, thanks for joining again. It's Melly Mel from Sincerely Creative Mom. Give me a thumbs up or a heart. Thank you.